In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect modules in Make, the powerful automation platform that lets you build complex workflows without any code. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, log into Make by opening your browser and heading to the Make website. Sign into your account and you'll land in your workspace, which is your central hub for all your automations. From the left navigation menu, click on Scenarios. This is where all your workflows live. Locate the scenario you want to edit, or if you're starting fresh, click Create a new scenario to build from scratch. Once you do that, the Scenario Builder canvas will open up. This is your visual workspace where you'll design the entire automation flow. To add your first module, click the large plus button. A search window appears. Type in the app you want to use, whether it's Google Sheets, Gmail, or something else, and then choose the trigger or action module that fits your needs. You'll then configure the module by connecting your app account if prompted and filling in the required settings. When you're done, click Save. Your first module now sits on the canvas. Now, to add a second module, hover over the first module you just placed. You'll see a small plus icon or a connection point appear next to it. Click that icon, and the app selection window opens again. Search for the next app you want to connect. Common choices are Google Sheets, Slack, Airtable, or MailerLite. Then choose the action you want this second module to perform, like creating a row or sending an email. Configure it by connecting the account and completing all necessary fields. Then click Save. Make automatically connects it to the first module, and you'll see a line appear between them. That line means data will flow from the first module to the second. Data generally moves from left to right, so the output of one module becomes available as input for the next. To map data between modules, open the second module. Click inside a field that accepts data, and you'll see a panel showing the first module's output. Select the values you want to pass through, then click Save. Continue adding modules by clicking the plus icon after the latest one, building your workflow step by step. If you need one module to send data to multiple paths, you can add a router to create branching workflows. Finally, take a moment to review the structure and verify every module is connected in the correct order. And that's it. You now know how to connect modules in Make to build seamless automations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.